All right, everybody, so today we're going to take a look at and unbox my Nomatic travel pack book bag or backpack. I'm super excited. I got this for my birthday. I really been wanting a nice book bag that I can take with me on like a trip, whether it's for pleasure or for business, and one that looks really like just nice and chic or just very business professional, but still allowing me to grab all my tech gear, throw it in this bag, have it organized and not just like all over the place like with my other book bags. Like I have a nice Herschel book bag that I like a lot, but you really can't organize much. So I'm glad I got this for my birthday. I'm excited to take a look at this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. So it's in this nice bag here, the most functional gear ever by Nomatic. All right, so first thing I'd say is aesthetically, this book bag looks very like businessman-ish, very rich. Everything looks like pretty clean cut. It even has, for comfort, these nice cushions. One thing I will point out, this travel pack book bag can also be used as like, say, a suitcase or a briefcase, not a suitcase. And that's why it has these handles on each side right here to use it like a briefcase. One thing I like to point out too is on both sides it has this magnetic cup holder or bottle holder. You could essentially put this in here like so, and then whenever you're done it just magnetically goes back. I'm sure you all know some book bags have these little can holders or bottle holders, and they just stretch out and they get all dingy. So that magnet is supposed to make it to where it doesn't do that. So I think that's pretty cool. One other thing before I get into the book bag I'd like to point out is, if you notice, there's not really any straps, and that's because they're actually hidden away underneath here. So there's a button here and here that you would just undo like so, and they're pretty good button there. And then you pull out the straps so you could use them like it's intended to be used as a book bag. So that's pretty nice. The quality is honestly like really nice. It's not, you can tell it's not cheap. You also got your little connector here you can adjust, and the height doesn't look like that'll come off easily. One other thing that really sold me on this book bag is there's a little hidden pocket right here. You could put in like some money, your passport. It'd be kind of hard to put your passport in there and then have to grab it real quick, but the thought of it being able to be put right there is pretty neat. That way nobody can come up behind you and just like steal your stuff. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take a look. So right here we have the soft sunglasses holder, although you probably don't want to put your sunglasses in here. You can honestly put your phone in here. There's a little hole for headphones, although who uses corded headphones anymore? So really you could put like your cell phone right there for easy access. So that's pretty cool. And then let's take a look at this pocket right here. So this is pretty cool. So right here you have the RFID Safe. You essentially would put also your passport in here, your credit cards, things like that, stuff that you want to keep secure. You have other pen and pencil pockets. You have a little zipper pocket. You can probably throw like a portable charger in there. Here's some pockets for, say, like a little mini tablet, some charging cables, things like that. So very organized. Like I said, unlike a lot of other book bags, They're kind of just like throw everything in the bag and go. This one is a very business professional type of a bag, but at the same time still something you can keep organized. So let's take a look here at this bigger pocket. So you will notice that these are fully closed off because it is waterproof. So that's pretty cool. So we'll open this up all the way. So we got some more pockets here. So there's a little headphone holder. You probably put like your battery pack here, let it come through to your phone, zip it in there. Maybe like a Mophie juice pack or something, or an Apple charger. So that's pretty cool. Got some more pockets for organization. They also give you this little waist strap for the book bag, for the straps. And then you got your little pockets there. You can probably throw a few things in there, maybe your wallet or ID or something. So these are removable. You don't have to use these, but they have these nice hooks. It'll clip in really nicely. So here's another cool thing I like to point out. So this is an actual sunglass case holder. So a lot of us go on vacation, maybe you wear glasses like me, you don't want to go ahead and throw your sunglasses in the bag because it's gonna break, so you're wearing them on your shirt. Well, you don't have to do that any longer. You could just throw your sunglasses in here. It goes with all your other like vacation gear, and you know it's not gonna break. This thing's pretty sturdy, so that's pretty cool. This is one thing I'd like to point out too. So right here is a little keychain key holder. So if you had some keys, let's say you live in the city and you want to carry your keys in the back pocket because maybe somebody will grab it, you'll have it in this pocket. Easily just pull it out, put it in the door, it'll go right back, it retracts. So that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at this. Got more space here. Maybe throw some shoes in there. So that's pretty neat. I will mention this bag can expand. So, excuse me. This bag can expand a little bit. Actually, this, you would expand it here, but this other pocket, so actually you would expand it with this zipper right here, and that would expand it from a 20 liter to a 30 liter right off the back. That way you can fit more stuff. So I'm gonna close this up and I'm gonna show you what most of us are worried about. And that's this back pocket right here. So we all know how when we go through TSA checkout or check-in, we gotta pull out our laptop out of the bag. Well, this has the very back zipper. You just pull this out. You got your laptop right here, and you got your big tablet right here, or if you have a work laptop and a personal laptop, both of them can slide here and here. It's nice and soft. If you got something else you need to throw in there, you could do it right here. And that just makes it for easy access. So you just kind of right through TSA, boom, there you go. Slide it out, put it back, put it on the little tub, and then you're done. So like I said, I really like this book bag. I can't wait to go travel with it. I'll be traveling here in about a month and a half to LA. Definitely gonna use this. Need to get used to where the zippers go. That way I'm not messing it up and unzipping the wrong thing. I'll probably use it as a 30 liter, like so. That way I have more room. Because the other way, having it closed like this, it's a little bit tight fit to travel with. So pretty excited to use this bag. Tell me what y'all think about it. Let me know if y'all have one and what you guys use yours for. Just leave me a comment below. Till next time.